This is not a sponsored video. This is a 100% honest review. Hey fam, welcome back to my channel. My name is Dasy, and you can always trust me for 100% honest reviews and skincare. If you're not subscribed yet, please click the subscribe button now. I would really appreciate the support. Thank you. If you want to prevent stretch marks, or you're struggling to get rid of stretch marks due to pregnancy, drastic weight loss, or even just natural occurrence, fam, I would really recommend this stretch mark cream. Like, this is the best stretch mark cream ever. It's the Vichy Complete Action Anti-Stretch Mark Cream. This is the best stretch mark cream ever, guys. This cream works to get rid of stretch marks, and also it prevents it from reappearing again. Like, so you can say it's a dual action cream. Vichy Laboratories is a French dermo-cosmetic brand, part of the L'Oreal group, and they cater to multiple categories covering skincare, hygiene, makeup, sun care, etc. Their products are mostly sold in the pharmacies to emphasize how medicinal they are. So before I go into the details of this amazing product right here, let me give you a quick background story. In 2016, when I was pregnant with my daughter, she's almost 5 years old now. So I had a lot of stretch marks. I started seeing black stretch marks on my waist, all around my waist. You know, this kind of stretch marks that are very, very dark and thick. Not just this normal stretch marks. And funny enough, I never had stretch marks on my waist, so I was only expecting them on my stomach. And people recommended shea butter. I applied a lot of shea butter, and you know how shea butter can be so smelly and greasy, but I used a lot of shea butter, man, but nothing happened. Like, the stretch marks, they were so adamant, they refused to leave. At a point I just gave up. I was like, okay, fine, if this is what I have to sacrifice just to be a mother, then that's fine. Then in 2019, my partner recommended this cream to me. He said he had a lot of reviews about it firsthand from people that have used it, and I was kind of skeptical because I've used a lot of stuff like shea butter, even like some other product that people recommended, and I already believed that there was nothing that would clear my stretch marks. But he bought this product for me, and I felt like, okay, even if I believe it's not going to work, let me just use it. I just decided to use it to show my appreciation, you know. To my surprise, fam, this cream started working. I think on the third day, I started seeing differences, like these thick, dark stretch marks that I believed were going nowhere, like that I believed were never going to clear from my skin. I started seeing results in 1 week, 3 days to 1 week. I started seeing very visible results. And not just me. Thereafter, I started recommending this cream to other people. I have a personal shopping page on Instagram at DasyPels1. You can check it out. So whenever people ask me for recommendations on stretch mark cream, I always recommend this product and this product only, and they always come back to thank me. They're like, wow, how come we've never heard about this brand? Which is why I always say that this brand is very underrated. Looking into the details, it comes in a 200 ml tube. It absorbs very fast into the skin. No parabens, no dyes, no sulfates. It is designed for normal and sensitive skin. So if you're someone with sensitive skin like me, you're safe. This cream is perfect for normal and sensitive skin. Target group is 18 to 55 years. It's a moisturizing formula enriched with silicone, anabolic vegetable oils, and a lot of good stuffs for the skin. And the price is about 25 to 30 euros thereabout, depending on where you get it from. I first thought, you feel like it's so expensive. I thought so also, but considering how effective this product is, it's not expensive, trust me. If you're in the Netherlands, you can always check the local pharmacies. You'd surely find it there. I always buy it there. Or you can also check online. And if you're in the US, I tried to check on Amazon US, but I didn't find it there. But I found a website for you guys. So just check the link in the description box. If you're in US, UK, Canada, In Germany, you can surely get it on Amazon Germany, like it's there, even Amazon UK. But I have other links in the description box below if you want to buy this product. So how to use, if you're pregnant and you want to prevent stretch marks, use twice daily. And you can use from the 4th month of pregnancy and apply it on the stretch mark prone areas on your body. We all have different stretch mark prone areas on our body. It could be your bust, your waist, your butt, some people have stretch marks here, also your arms. Like, just apply it on stretch mark prone areas to prevent stretch mark from appearing on those parts. And whenever you apply on your skin, try to also, like, it goes direct into your skin because it absorbs very fast, but also try to like massage it so that it penetrates better into the skin. You have stretch marks and you want to get rid of stretch marks, also use twice daily, in the morning and in the night before going to bed, and also apply on the affected areas. And like I said earlier, try to just massage it in a little bit to allow it to penetrate better into the skin. And that's it, guys. This cream works. Like, I give you like 98% guarantee you're gonna come back and say thank you. If you have any questions, like if there's anything I forgot to mention, if you have any questions, please let me know in the comment section below. And if you've used this cream and it works for you, also let me know in the comment section. And also, if you have not used this cream and you're battling with stretch marks, I really recommend this cream, and I hope you try it and come back to let me know when it works for you, not if. You hear why I said when it works for you, not if, because I know it's gonna work. So thank you guys, and I hope you found this very helpful. Do not forget to click the subscribe button, like, share with your loved ones, and see you in my next video. Thank you.
Your point is an elephant.